Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another unboxing. This one is from the Magical Mixery store on Etsy. You guys, so many goodies from what I can see so far. So the first things are these cute little flat back cabochons, and they are a little candy cane with a bow, green and red stripes, so fun. We've got these cute little flat back lollipops, and they've got like a little white stripe and then a green little bow. So fun. And then these guys, oh my gosh, look at these little Christmas charm books. It looks like a little spiral notebook, and then it says Merry Christmas on there with Santa waving. You can see the details of like the pages and stuff. Oh, those are adorable. And then these, I have never seen any of these. These are like so fun for your Christmas crafting, you guys. Look at that. It's like a clear glass and a peppermint like swirl. So cool. So these are a smaller one. These look to be about 6mm maybe. And then maybe these are like a 8 or probably like a 8mm. So fun. Oh, I love those. And then this, I didn't know if these come together or these are separate, so I'll just show them together. But look at this little gingerbread like canister. So the top it's separated. So she did a fun like peppermint swirl with candy cane, and then the bottom is red stars. So cool. I love that container. And then we have this gorgeous ornament filled with super fun pinks, greens, silvers, hollow, and then she added a fun little dangle and charm. So cute. And then she did this cute mix. It's green with little red and white snowflakes. She's got little seed beads in there. All the fun colors. Okay. Ooh, look how fun these are. So these are like faux fur, but you guys, look at this. Pink. It's like a baby blush pink. We've got a really pretty green and then a red. Ooh, these are so cute and just in time for all the Christmas crafting, even though I've already had a couple packages that had Christmas stuff, but these are all different and new things. So this one is a thinner white like fuzzy eyelash, and we've got this super fun, and this is a thicker like chenille, super soft, so soft. How fun, this mint color like shaggy eyelash fur wool trim. I don't know how to describe it. So fun. This one, we've got a red tinsel. This one is a green and red tinsel. So pretty. This is like a little trio, Christmas trio. And then this is faux fur. Very pretty mix. This one, red, and look at this white tinsel eyelash trim. So pretty with the iridescent in it. And then this one is a lighter green. This one is a Grinch green with red, total Grinch green. Oh, how fun. So that trio. Got this one. Look how cute these little ruffles are. They are just so dainty. Oh, and it's stretchy. Very elastic. So you got the pink, the white, and then this fun red down here. It's like a bright red. Really pretty lacy combo. So it's got like oh, this one's stretchy too. So it's got like a rickrack, but with like a little puffy part. Oh, there, see, you can kind of see it like on this side. It's like a florally rickrack, and then this is actually little strings, like little eyelash. That's how thin each little piece is, but it looks like a ribbon, like a, I don't know how to describe it. So cool. So there's a black version and then the white version. Like jellyfish almost. That's what it reminds me of, like how dainty it is. Ooh, these are so cute and unique. I have like organza bag of goodies. Ooh, look how, ooh, these are really pretty. I made necklaces with these things. Look at this. So it's like a diamond heart all the way around, and then it's got the little loop at the top, so you can add it to your dingles, charms, keychains, you name it. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Oh, I love these. I love like the shape of these. They're little like winter hats. You can see like the detail, the gold little X's across to like mimic fabric. Little pom-pom at the top. Gosh, look how gorgeous these gingerbread houses are. They're a light pink with gold, and you can see the white little snow and detailing on the roofs. So pretty. There's another thing I've never seen. Look at these fun Christmas candies. I mean, you could use these for birthday too, but look at, they're white and pink. enamel, and then they've got glitter on them, like a pink glitter. Gorgeous, gorgeous. These guys, these are like little metal. Ooh, they're very thin. Ooh, and they're super soft. Little metal silver hearts with like a little jump ring loop at the top. We've got some pink stars, so it's like a star frame, and the metal is gold on these guys. Next we got these guys. Look how fun. These are like little peppermint candy canes, red, green, and white with the little gold jump ring at the top. Super cute. So here's this one. This is Snow Angel. It's got snowflakes, pinks, pretty little mint, whites, and like a clearish whitish glitter. So pretty. And we got this one, Orbit. It's got teals, pinks, whites, circles, stars. Very cute. And then we've got this one, Strawberry Kiss. It's got like lips, cute little strawberries, whites and glitters. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we got Pink Roses. Oh my gosh, look at the clay bits. So it's like white, but like the rose part, like a, you know, like a rolled up rose. So cool. And then she's got little white polymer clay hearts. Very fun, Pink Roses. And we got this one, Playground. So she's got black and white stripes, stars, yellows, peachy pinks, golds. Great. That reminds me of like Maggie Holmes' carousel. Then we've got Frosted Frosty. You've got a silver little Frosty the Snowman, lots of light blues, baby blues, some silvers and whites, and little peppermint swirls. Prancing Deer. And she's got, there we go, a little bluish minty deer, hollow deer. And then she's got stars, snowflakes, different shades of pinks and whites. She's got little clear diamonds in there. Very cute. Very fun. This reminds me of like Flourish, Maggie Holmes Flourish. So this is Butterfly Wings. She's got this black and pink butterfly, like its wing, like a side profile. And then she's got the roses in like a teal color. So pretty. Blacks, golds, whites. She's got these like iridescent clear flowers. Very, very pretty. Okay, you guys, I will link categories down below. So cute. Thank you so much, Sarah, for sending me another amazing bag of goodies. So fun. I can't wait to just continue Christmas crafting for the next 2 months. So exciting. Okay, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.